In this video, I will show you how to play AFK Journey on PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So AFK Journey is officially out, and what you can do is actually play this on PC. Now to do that, you're going to want to come across to this website here, and what I will do is leave a link to this in the video description down below. So if you click onto that link, that's going to take you to this website. But make sure you do watch the rest of this video to know how to install and play AFK Journey on your PC. So what you're going to want to do once you come across this website is press the blue play on PC button just down here. So what it's going to do is download something called BlueStacks onto your PC. Now BlueStacks is an emulator, and what it does, it allows you to play Android games on your PC or laptop. BlueStacks are actually the pioneers of Android gaming on PC, and they are currently the world's leading mobile gaming platform. With the most recent version of BlueStacks 5, you can expect a powerhouse of speed and performance. And you can use BlueStacks 5 for Android 64-bit to play games like Teamfight Tactics, Forza Street and much more. Now once you've gone ahead and downloaded this onto your PC, what you're going to want to do is click onto it to run the installation setup. And once BlueStacks has installed, just go ahead and press the blue launch button. So here we are, as you can see, BlueStacks is now launching on our PC. So I've already installed AFK Journey, but if you haven't done this, what you can do is use the search box at the top and just search for AFK Journey in here, and then go ahead and press enter. And here, as you can see, is AFK Journey. So if you click onto this, it's going to take you across to the app page. As you can see, there is an option here to play on app player. So what you want to do is click onto this, or it might say install. And if it does say install, you just want to give it a minute or two to install on your PC. But once you've gone ahead and installed that onto your PC, it's going to go ahead and open up the game. The install button might change to a green play button as well, so you can just press play to launch the game on your PC. And what's going to happen is going to go ahead and open up the BlueStacks app player and of course launch AFK Journey on your PC. So as you can see, that's currently loading through. It just takes a minute or two to do this. And that is how to go ahead and play AFK Journey on PC. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.